In a world that often glorifies the grand and momentous occasions, there exists a subtle charm in the in-between moments, the seemingly insignificant fragments that weave the tapestry of our lives. These fleeting interludes, like delicate brushstrokes on a canvas, hold a beauty that is often overlooked and underappreciated. In the stillness of the early morning, as the sun timidly peeks over the horizon, there lies a serene tranquility. It is a time when the world is suspended between the realms of dreams and reality. The gentle caress of a cool breeze, the chorus of birds greeting the dawn, and the hushed whispers of nature awakening, all create a symphony of harmony that whispers of possibilities yet to unfold.
So I go for that rock and roll music. Any old way you choose.
I got the Pedro Jr. in the garage for the evening.
Covered wagon style truck. Nice little broom here, keeping everything together. About it.
You smell like Cheetos.
Sweet corn.
That'll get.
Oh, little queen. Queen. If you wanna dance with me.
Way down south they get a fee. The people say that is down with me. They bring it home from the wood shop. The folks that got old people, they started playing that rock and roll.
Oh no.
Within the confines of a bustling city, amidst the rush of hurried footsteps and the screaming of car horns, there exists a pause where strangers pass each other, their lives intersecting fleetingly. It is in these stolen glances, the brief exchange of a smile, or the unintentional act of kindness that the true essence of humanity blossoms. The in-between moments remind us of our shared connection, our shared journey through life. The in-between moments often reside in the spaces where we find some solace and seek reflection. These moments allow us to delve into our innermost thoughts, to seek understanding.
Hey, it's me.
And to find ourselves amidst the chaos of life. Even in the silence of solitude, where the world seems to stand still, the in-between moments beckon us to embrace introspection. It is in these quiet moments that we can truly appreciate the beauty of our own existence. The complexity of our thoughts, the intricacies of our emotions, and the vastness of our dreams. The in-between moments grant us the opportunity to pause, to breathe, and to rediscover the treasure which is in ourselves. It is ourselves. Embrace the beauty of the in-between moments, and you will find that it is in these moments that life's true magic unfolds. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.
windy in here. Covered wagon. Couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. Going nuts. I couldn't hold it. I gotta put the broom back up. Bluetooth speaker just randomly went on too. The broom helps. That is beyond intense. We're just going to get supplies. Maybe some hamburger for the grill. Woo-hoo-hoo. I hope we're almost there. Beautiful town of Campton, New Hampshire. Oh my God, dude. Gale Force Hurricane 5 winds. I had to put the broom up. It was like freaking being in a freaking hurricane, man. Did we make it?
We made it. Can't do covered.
Maybe I'll make Ryan sit in the back.